Hello and welcome to UILBytes. In this example, we will look at the problem that was on the District Week 1 test for 2014. The definition involves a double recursion call in which you have the function of x plus 2 and the function of x plus 1 in the same call. So we're trying to find the function of -4. So the function of -4 is going to be 2 times the function of -2, since we're doing x plus 2, minus the function of -3 plus 1. Since we have 2 function calls that we need to get answers to, we need to stack both of them. And let's keep them in order. It doesn't really matter. So we're going to say the function of -3, and that's going to be 2 times the function of -1 minus the function of -2. So now you can see that we need the function of -2 for both of these functions. So now we go find it. Function of -2 is going to be 2 times the function of 0 minus the function of -1 plus 1 is equal to, and now we find the function of -1, which is 2 times the function of 1 minus the function of 0 plus 1. So we found the function of 0. By definition, the function of 0 when x is equal to 0 is 1. So we put 1. And the function of 1, which we need here, by definition, when it's greater than 0, the answer is simply 0. So now we can complete this definition by saying 2 times the function of 1, which was 0, minus the function of 0, which is 1, plus 1, and we get 0. To complete this definition, we do 2 times the function of 0, which is 1, minus the function of -1, which we just found was 0, plus 1, for a total of 2 times 1 minus 0 plus 1 is 3. Here we have 2 times the function of -1, which is 0, minus the function of -2, which is 3, plus 1. So we have 0 minus 3 plus 1 is -2. And then finally, 2 times the function of -2, which was 3, minus the function of -3, which was -2, -2 plus 1 equals 2 times 3 is 6 minus -2, which is the same as plus +2, which would be 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9, which is the answer to the function of -4. All right, good luck.